So I'm just kind of showing right now what I'm getting ready to go out in. It's about 2:30. I get off work at 2 o'clock and get to start checking traps. We're supposed to get about 8 inches of snow before daylight, and we got none, which I was like, sweet, good. That's good. Well, this started 4 hours ago. It's been just really pounding. There's like basically no snow out here before this started. It's drifting 45-mile-an-hour winds. We're supposed to get maybe up to 12 inches still. So I did end up ice fishing yesterday too, so I'm guessing ice will continue to stay safe with this. I'll probably ice fish some more, and if you want to see some of those videos, comment that or something, I guess. I don't know. They'll do this much, but I'll take a video if I catch anything. Otherwise, this will probably be the only part of the video, so just gonna try to make it to like a minute. Got my long distance right there. That's by Hoosiers Trappers. That is some smelly stuff. Yeah, they should still be able to smell it through all that snow. Well, hopefully everything goes okay. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna make another video unless I caught anything, but I lied. You can kind of tell how much harder it's snowing out here now. So what I did is the dirt under here is actually still pretty unthawed. See the one on the trap right there? It's pretty unthawed actually. So what I did was I covered some salt and I put a little hay on top of it. Covered the hay in salt and antifreeze. Like antifreeze flakes, that white flake stuff. So I'll cover both of those. And my casting set should still be functional. Cows over there enjoying the snow. You know everything just loves the snow. That dog loves the snow. That dog loves the snow. That one actually probably really does. This one hates it. I'm surprised it hasn't disappeared back to the house. But yeah, cat set. Maybe we'll catch something before the end of season, which is in like not too many days.